Hello everyone, today I will show you how you can enable dark mode in Google. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So currently my Google has a light mode. So if I want to switch to a dark mode, I need to go to the three dot at the top right and then go to the setting, click on settings, then go to appearance and then go to theme. Here you can change your appearance to dark mode or according to the device. So you can also change the color for your Google, such as cyan, orange, yellow. I prefer to be the original color, so I will keep it this way. But this is how you can change the Google theme to a dark mode. And if you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.